tour at the Plaza. I think I might have gotten the worst room here. Not only that it is so loud, the floor is vibrating, and I am on floor 3. So we have a lovely bed. It is nice. It is big. This is an older room. This is the deluxe room and not the luxe room. Don't mind the suitcase. I'm trying to move. We have a nice chair. Over here we have a credenza with a coffee maker. We do have a fridge. And we have a work desk. But this is my view. Yeah. And it's very loud. So we're gonna go see if we can move, because yeah, I don't want to do this. Also, TV is mounted right here. Perfectly fine. Very big bathroom, kind of, with the weird closet and everything inside here. And the bathroom's small, but it will do, but I can't handle the noise. So, soon to be updated, I hope. Now we are in room 1913. I got upgraded to a luxe room. Much better. Much brighter. So nice. I believe this is where, yes, we get a fridge in here also. Boop. And desk also. A little bit better bathroom. You're safe over here. And a view of the mountains, but I'm on the opposite side of Fremont Street, so it is nice and quiet in here. So I love that. So this was a little room tour. It never hurts to ask. Shout out to Jonathan Jossel for the upgrade. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.